Bafethu, Tebogo Mokoena. Bafethu, there's a reason why Lomchita Bambiza player Yasichava. This guy is the heartbeat here Bafana Bafana. Yes, I'm a little bit disappointed Gutuzobangeke came near to clean against South Korea. But Bafethu, the performance that he gave us Namhlanje, I have to applaud him, Bafethu. He was solid in that midfield. He fought for every tackle. Whenever he needed to progress the ball, he did. Whenever he needed to do his defensive work, he did it very well. And Bafethu, we really going to miss him against the South Korea. Uzoyibona nje ukuthi midfield yethu khona umuntu ongekho, and that guy is Tebogo Mokoena. For me, Bafethu, in terms of South African defensive midfielders, this guy, I have to rank him up there. Yeah, but obviously, as a South Africa, we want to progress to the next stage of the tournament because since in Bafana Bafana World Cup, we've never progressed beyond the group stages, right? But the performance that he gave us, Namhlanje Bafethu, I mean, that penalty, everybody Bafethu was becoming ukuthi scorele Tebogo Mokoena. And he was cool, calm, and collected, and he buried that ball for us, and he gets us a point, Bafethu. I mean, we're still alive in this group, Bafethu. We can still get out of this group if we beat South Korea. But namhlanje lo mjida Bafethu udlalela Bafethu. For me, he totally deserves the man of the match. Salute Bafethu.
This is what you wanted. Lose, win or draw. Mara adlaleni bola bafethu, adlaleni bola, amajita ayalazi bola. That's all we wanted. Le game le ibingcono kakhulu kunale yokuqala. And of course there would always be something to complain about. I mean, indlela is considering ngalo le goal questionable. Lapses of concentration from the defense, ngapha kwa right, and then abakhavanga le kwa left where the goal came in. You know, there would always be something to complain about, but amajita adlalile. Especially in the second half. Come on. And then the Turkey layer corner, the only time where they would get an advantage is when they were playing those aerial balls, set pieces, right? And those crosses into the box. But pound for pound, South African there's a reason why South Africa dominated the game. Ball possession is South Africa. Passes completed, it was South Africa. Shots on goal, it was South Africa. Shots on target, it was South Africa. There's a reason why. And we got to see our best players shine when we play football. Confidence, not just to us as fans, but also a squad team. Shout out to Debs Abafethu. Pressure moments require big players to step up and take the chance. Mrembula stood up, took the penalty, 1-1. We live to fight another day. Czechia. South Korea next. 3x in. Next week Thursday. We will be there. Here's a hot take that's not really a hot take, but the introduction the second half changed the complexion of the game for Bafana Bafana. First half, South Africa, they lacked a person who was going to put that final pass in the final third because Betlala got double 6 and 8 or double 8 and the 6. I'm not sure. You know, Mbata, Adams, Mgwen. All three of those guys, they're a bit more on the defensive side. One of them is a box to box, right? But Ageko on a first instincts, you pass with final third or to add numbers in the final third, you know? And we had to do that because Turkey was sitting so deep. The only thing they were looking to do was counter attack and aerial ball. But when Mfukeng came on in the second half, played Lapagu 10, but occasionally would drift to the left-hand side because it was so congested in the middle, he couldn't play through. They finally drift the other side in to get that space and to play Amapola with the midfielders and the other forward. The game was a bit better and the game was a bit more open. Of course, the influence because of the setup in Czechia. But if you look at the game in South Africa tactically, from a tactical point of view, it was way, way better when they introduced Urela Paguten. Salute to Bruce for giving our boy a chance. Salute to Mfukeng for utilizing that chance well. Gwi game elandelayo uzoqala lapha ku-10 because uTebs akekho lapha esiswini against South Korea. And we will be there.
Yes. We live to fight another day. This is a fighting spirit we wanted. This is a fighting spirit I know we are capable of. And that's why I never gave up on you boys. I knew something could give. It's not a win, but I will take a point under these circumstances because, like I say, we live to fight another day. Williams, thank you for the brilliant saves you made when we needed you. Yes, the first 5 minutes lapse of concentration at a crucial stage, but it's okay. We came back, we fought. Mudau, thank you. Obs, the postman, thank you for always trying to deliver something. Mbogazi Okon, yo Mbogazi, damn it. Sis, Mbogazi was coming left to right. Mbogazi was everywhere in that defense. Mrembula, you're our soldier. We're gonna miss you the last game, but it's okay. We're gonna miss you, but it's okay. You are our soldier, our fighter. Mbata, thank you. Adams, thank you. Maseko, yo, Tapelo Maseko. My brother, I know how to thank you. We needed somebody to step on the ball. Take them on. Take them on. Mufukeng, thank you. And at number 10, you brought some spices to the number 10. Keep them on their toes. Our police, you're a little bit quiet, but also thank you. Wana Sesi, I don't know how to thank you. Wana Sesi, thank you for winning the aerial duels, giving us an option to win the second ball. Because some aerial duels you are winning, you are a problem for the team. Yo, this is a fighting spirit we want. We fight up until the end. I believe. That's what go to Hugo Bruce. I did not doubt you. Yes, I wasn't happy with something's first game, but I knew GOAT. That's why I never turned my back on you, GOAT. We love to fight another day, boys. South Korea, you're in trouble. South Korea, I can feel it. We are getting out this group. I said it and it's going to happen. We are getting out this group. Round of 32, here we come.
Bafana 1, Czech Republic 1, and that is how it ends in our second game of the World Cup. I don't know how we always misjudge our opponent. I have no idea, but I thought Umakhopa was a perfect starter for the game. Not for ama goal, goal, but he was perfect to force the mistakes out of the defense, Czech Republic, right? Not to play as a box striker, but to play as a false nine and link better with a midfielder. And you could see those glimpses where Urenas played like a false nine in the first half. We played so much better than he did when he was a box striker. So I feel like the game needed a striker of Makhopa's caliber. Anyways, we played a first half which was not very impressive. I think we could have done better in terms of the agency and be a little bit quicker with the ball and be a little bit quicker in transition. There were glimpses where our police would want to run forward and say, come on guys, give me space. There are spaces to attack, but people were very casual. I feel like we're quite casual with first half. We could have done better in terms of how quickly we moved the ball and, you know, how quickly we were transition, and also so many spaces we could have explored in the first half and tried to come in directly, because Attack became too predictable where all the long balls were going to Maseko's side. And unfortunately, these people were taller than us, so our long balls were all being won by them, so they didn't give us anything. Imagine if we played with the same intensity that we played with second half, with the same intensity, and having a striker again like Umakhopa who wants to play with the midfielders and give us that space between our defenders at Czech Republic, and allow all people like Maseko and Apollos to be the one that scores our goals. So I feel like we misjudged our opponent, but I think in the second half we played so much better than we did. We built from the performance to our last game. Very proud of Teboho Mokoena. As soon as I saw him crying, I said, it's over for you, Czech Republic. It is over for you, boys, right? Let's see what our next game has in store for us, which will be a must-win game. But I think performance namhlanje, we will have to build from it and see are we able to make the right combinations game and play better than we did today. Let me know what you thought.
This is Bafana. Nant. Ilende besifuna against Mexico. Win, lose or draw. Football was played. That's it. Number two. Rele Mufukeng, ngiyabonga. Rele Mufukeng. Imagine if it was in a confidence, itrust. Ungenile urele washintsha izinto. Ungene urele. Abanye bazophika, but mina ungene urele washintsha izinto. This is what we want. Give the boy a chance. This is what we want. Makhopa, uyamazi ahlupha. Ngishilo ukuthi Makhopa must start. Makhopa yahlupha. This is what we want. This is the spirit going forward. This is the team. Siyabonga, Bros, ngiyabonga, Hugo Bros, usizile. We have a chance. We're fighting. Suzwa keeper my calculator. Yes, it's what one keeper, but this is the Bafana we want to see. Also, statistics you can put. You know, guys, I told you, I know what I want. No, I told you guys must relax. Trust me. Don't listen to everyone. Don't listen to the chat. Hugo Bros, thank you. Relamo Fuken, thank you. Apolis, thank you. Renas, thank you. Masego. How fun. Level Cup le kontezo kwenzeka against South Korea.
Full-time score. Bafana 1, Czech Republic 1. What a game. What a game, man. What a game, man. I'm so happy. I am so happy. And one of its introduction ka Rele Mofokeng. Mina ngihlale ngintshela iqiniso mfethu. Mina mfethu if ungithola ngibhesha lo mfana lo, wazi ukuthi ngikhonjwe ngesibhamu lapho. There's no way ngingabhesha uRele. I love this boy. Yabona mfana lo is very special. Yabona mfethu we have a jam here. Introduction ka Rele Mofokeng. Yabona kulawo ma tight spaces Rele Mofokeng bethola ipass khona. Rele Mofokeng is so special. And introduction ka Makgopa, hands down. Makgopa. Hayi mfethu ngiyayibona, yazi ukuthi ngiyayibona iveli yakho kuni angikuthandi kodwa ngiyayibona mfethu iveli yakho. Yabona mfethu introduction laba mfethu bo2. Instantly bafana iveli yathi boom. Shout out to Maseko mfethu la mfana udlale kahle kabi namhlanje. Udlale kahle kabi. Bafethu abona nje manje ngiyahlanganisa ukuthi second ku P10 angazi ngithini ngale game le because ngihappy mfethu into ekade ngiyibuka. Yabona mfethu sekusele kuyona bafana. Uthi sayidla ni South Korea. Sayidla futhi sidle noma ngo2-0. Bafethu bafana iperformile. Proud mina ngiyayiqhenya ngale gang le. Ngiyayiqhenya ngayo strong defense yami ibe organized. Siyabazi labo ukuthi ngeset piece banjani but we managed. Sikwazile ukubavala. Bafana I am proud of you all man. I am proud of you all. Asambeni se last game. Ah man. We are yabona siyabuya man. And most importantly Debs Angwana bafethu. Hey bafethu Debs Khomkwena. No this bafethu. Hayi man zayithola kahle review.
Yabona ke Bruce Madala bafethu uhambile waya kwama press conference wayothi thina we are stupid sikhuluma into esingazazi kanti uyasilalela. -1 defender, -1 striker. Sidlale kahle formation ethe ejwayelekile. Yes. Come on boys. Yabona ke we lost the first game, we drew the second game. We are definitely winning the third game. Buka nas. Maseko siyabonga bhuti. Thank you. Ngokuthi uyithemba ukuthi wena uzodribula lo muntu kwenzeke noma yini sawini penalty. Mkwena ipressure wayi-absorba yonke. Down. Kodwa bafethu I'm happy for 1 point is nama points alingana nePortugal. What do you mean? Kodwa ngazi ukuthi bafethu khona nokucindazeleka khona bafethu. Asingeke siyacindezela. Mase kuziwa ngacina bafethu impempe iba noshukela mfethu everything is a foul mfethu ama yellow card nje mfethu asiyanikwa nje buka njengamanje uDebs angekaza ayidlale. Sidinga ukuthi iCzechia ingawini game. Mele ishawe iCzechia igame elandelayo.
Ayizoshawa
Mase thina sithola something. Then singabu number 3 mfethu. Mase siyalinda ke. Sibu number 3 then we hope for the best. Noma kusangenzeka mhlawumbe sigcine su number 2. Anything can happen ibhola leli. Vamos Sauta.
Wena wonke ama-defenders seseke saba nawe la eSouth Africa alikho eliyofika kumbokazi bafethu. Awumbokazi ingwenya bafethu. Lo mjida ngimazi uyenza kanjani lento ukuthi umeyo defender aqale athinta ibhola bafethu. Lo mjida indlela edefender ngayo ngathi kade aqala ukudlala ibhola lo mjida lo bafethu. Yazi udefendiswa kwalama defender sene experience kanti usamncane lo mjida but indlela bafethu abakhama ngayo ifeyo defender bafethu akatatazeli lo mjida akakhamazeli bafethu uyakubalela bafethu enze sure ukuthi uqala ngebhola agcine ngawe into engeke izilokhani imlandelele lokhani imkhulumisa imthola ama red card because ukuthi noma kucheckwa lapha ku VR kuthiwa uqale ngebhola wagcina hayi bafethu angiboni ukuthi ke siphinde siyibone into enjela eSouth Africa bafethu. Ngiyathemba siyaqala siyagcina bafethu. Nama ngiyikholwa le nto le. Mfana omncane kanje bafethu odefenda ngalendlela le bafethu. Yabona bafana ayilutho ngaphandle kwaMbukazi bafethu. Retswana se-USA bemvume kanje bavuma umuntu okuvunywa bafethu. Yabona the way ekham ngayo bafethu uma udefenda lomjida. Hayi bafethu ingwenye uMbukazi bafethu. Like it or not bafethu lo mjida kumele asuke eUSA eCristoland challenge ku Europe bafethu adlalela i-team ekhona ku UEFA Champions League. Siyibone lento yakho ukuthi intswempu kanganani, but I know ukuthi angeke aza disappoint uma ngathola i-team ku UEFA Champions League because nakho ku FIFA World Cup iyabheti bafana but yena udle ngokuthi nje mina angisoze ngadisappoint ngengidlalo omunye umfana wakomunye umuzi. Hayi bafethu hayi ashaya isitathweni esclean into engakhulumisi into eqala ngebhola igcine ngomdlalo bafethu hayi uNkulunkulu.
Okay bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje, and into nje ngizoyisho bafethu ukuthi I am happy but umuntu engihappy ngaye kakhulu uMfukeng. Akekho umuntu mfethu bengifunda ukumbona edlala more than uMfukeng kule World Cup. Akekho mfethu umuntu bengifunda ukumbona engena egroundini and just showcasing italent lakhe more than uMfukeng. And even though udlala second half kuphela, but I'm happy. I will take it because the second half uthathile mfethu oyisebenzisa and he showed ukuthi I can play, and hopefully ngegame ogcina uyaqala igame lapha number 10 lapha because we need him lapha number 10. And secondly, uMkwena will go down as one of the best players kule country have ever produced, and akazange eye Europe anyway. Yonke into uyachieve la. This guy literally won i-star for his Sundowns sisibili. He's been clutch for Bafana all career yakhe ever since why introduced to Bafana. He's been clutch for South Africa bafethu. So as much as ngiyi-Pirates for the Sundowns, I appreciate him. Yabona ukuthi uMkwena is one player from opposition team appreciate engisho ukuthi this guy is special bafethu. And to think ukuthi uMbule could have been on the same level naye or maybe even better than uMkwena. But then again mfethu ama-choices izwathatha impilo nawafani yabo. But nje mfethu uMkwena bafethu yo akuthemba ngibone ekhala mfethu kuculwe national anthem was like there's no way we are losing bro. There is no way we are losing uMkwena ebekhala kanje because yakhombisa ukuthi mfethu yo lento ngiyayifuna. Into sayifuna sonke siyikhanda bafethu, and even though we draw abanye abantu say why sit for draw yo. Asikho happy nge-draw, okay, happy nge-draw, but mostly I think we are happy because of the way we played. Because in the sense ukuthi si-crash out igame yokuqala was the way we played. That's not how we play, bruh. Indlela esidlale ngayo against Mexico nasama ngalo ukuthi what the fuck are we watching? But namhlanje mfethu siyibonile bafana lesiyaziyo yabo. So yeah, I will take it. I will definitely take that draw and hope ukuthi iSouth Korea sayishaya because bona betrainer dog baphakamisa insimbi na asikho lapho thina bafethu. We are here to play football. Are you going rugby le? And hopefully we'll make it bafethu. And yeah, just to see the disappointment on lama faces lawa of other African countries who are already counting us out, because already baba post bayasho ukuthi vele bazophuma 8. We don't care. Okusala if we scored a goal, we got a point. We will take it. Especially mfethu hearing umuntu wase Nigeria saying South Africa izobuya 8. Where is Nigeria? Idlala nini? Idlala nobani? So I don't even know why I'm coming Nigeria right now. I don't know why, but I'm just happy with performance namhlanje, especially second half. I feel really happy. And for Masego, how did Sundowns loan out to Masego? Yo. But Sundowns if I is bonus thing was Masego, please release him. Release Iowa Chiefs or something, or Pirates. We need players like that in Orlando, because we lost to Saleng. We need players like Masego, players who can take people abantu on. Abantu futhi abasithembayo ukuthi ngikuthi futhi ngighost mfethu yabo. So shout out to Masego, nje mfethu wonke umuntu mfethu Mbokazi, Okon, everybody mfethu namhlanje mfethu pulled up, they showed up, they played, and that's how ngemajiteni mfethu. Hopefully game izayo mfethu we win. And no. Even if Masfat 32 is like we get humiliated, we don't care. We just want to make it out of the group stages. At least we deserve that, perfect. So yeah,